Hey there, got a bad case of the hiccups? Let's find out why. Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, that muscle under your lungs, suddenly decides to do its own dance. It contracts involuntarily, kind of like when you jump in surprise. This causes a sudden intake of breath, but wait for it, your vocal cords slam shut right after, creating that classic hic sound. So why does this happen? Sometimes it's because you ate too fast or drank something fizzy. Maybe you're nervous or excited. Your diaphragm can be a bit dramatic, don't you think? But here's a fun fact. Hiccups are a leftover reflex from our ancient fishy ancestors. Yep, way back when our aquatic relatives had a similar mechanism to help them breathe underwater. So next time you hiccup, just remember it's your body's way of reminding you of your inner fish. Pretty cool, huh? Got any weird hiccup cures? Share them in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more quirky facts.